Assalamu alaikum. A very good morning to all of you. How are you all? Please don't avoid reply of this question. Hope that you all are fit and fine. Alhamdulillah. I am also fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. It's me Delwar in front of you. I am your host. I am a student. I am a coaching teacher as well as. So today's I am making a video after a long days. I could not make a single video because I was busy on my works. That's why I will not be able to make a video. Even I don't try to make a video. So today's in this video I am going to share with you about life. Life is short. One day is good, one day is bad, one day is for you, one day is against you. If you relation with Allah, the good days Alhamdulillah and the bad days also Alhamdulillah.